Hi, I'm Alexandra Allen with Main Street Produce and Freshway Farms, and I'm here on a Freshway Farms raspberry ranch located on the very southern edge of the Santa Maria Valley. Our companies have been growing strawberries in the Santa Maria Valley since the 1970s, but we only recently have started farming raspberries as well. And it's really an exciting crop. They do very well here in our beautiful Mediterranean climate, and although they are a very labor-intensive crop, we think that it's worth it for the fruit that we produce. We have about 75 people working here on this ranch, and they're constantly pruning these plants and trellising them and training them to grow in this kind of arched form that you see behind me. And we get great fruit here, and although there's lots of work that goes into it, at the end, this is what we get. And it's really fun to know that this will be shipped all over the United States for people to enjoy, and I hope that they like them as much as I do. I think they're great.